channel. Today I'm going to share with you my 27-inch iMac year model late 2014, and I'm going to remove the front glass, and it's very easy to remove it if you know how to do it. So please follow along. In order to open the front glass, you need a pry tool, old credit cards or hard plastic like this. If you look at this corner, if you try to put your nail and you can see there is a little gapping, use hard plastic and you can put it inside like this. It requires little force. Once you are in, then use a pry tool. On the side there is a seal around all the way, on the side, in the front, on the side and at the bottom. Very hard to take it out. The easiest and simplest method what I found, once you insert it in, then you just slide it like this. It requires a little force, but you can cut through. As you can see, it's stuck a little bit. You go up and down. You keep going all the way at the bottom. Then we're going to do the same thing on this side, on the top, all the way like this. And if you notice that it start cutting, so you run all the way through. It requires a little force, but you can do it. Then same thing on other side like this. There is no more sticking tape. The whole thing we are doing, cutting the tape. So just slide through. Once you are through, then you will see the glass coming out. This is the tape on the top, on the sides and at the bottom. This is the double-sided tape, and now we can remove the glass. Prior to removing it, now this gets a little trickier. These are the cables you need to remove. There are two cables. Once you take these two cables out, then you can take the glass out. The way you take out the cable, this one has a plastic tab. This plastic tab you pull up. It has a clip running all the way through which locks the cable. And now we can pull the cable out. This is what I was talking about, the tape. You pull the tape, it unlocks it, then you pull it. This cable is very easy to take it out. Use your thumb and finger on the side. You just squeeze it. Once you squeeze it, then you pull it. There is a small plastic tabs on the side with the thumb and finger. When you press it, you can take it out. If it's harder for you to take it out, then you can use the plastic pry tool. Press it at one end, then pull the cable up a little bit. Then you press it from other side and then pull it. So it's very easy. And that's how it's easy and simple. You can replace your glass screen if it's broken or bad pixels, it went bad and you want to change it. Or change your hard drive to SSD drive, or wanted to clean the fan. So now you need to buy a new kit which has a double-sided tape. You can buy that kit. I will provide the part number under my description. We're going to take out the old tape and we're going to place the new film on top of it. It's a pre-cut, and then we can install our screen. To put these cables back, the same scenario. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And please don't forget to watch my other video. I will be upgrading my hard drive to SSD drive. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.